buddy.
That's a horse. That's not.
Smile pretty. What are you doing? I get up, he gets up too. Come on. Come over here. Kind of. You're panting like a dog would. Hi. He's panting like a dog. Hey, Mom, he reminds me of Clyde.
One out of it. Finally, one out of it.
Get off my fingers here. I ate some Doritos and they're really good. I'm done with my work. I'm gonna